Hi everyone, I want to show you how to add some pictures to your property listings and also order the listings. So like rearrange how the pictures display on your website, on your selling site. So what you want to do is, in this case, we're going to go to our land deals and we'll just pick a property here. I'm going to choose this one right here and I'm going to click on the edit screen to open up the property information. Now, I'm going to go ahead and toggle all the sections down. So I'm going to hit toggle sections and scroll down to where it says attach photos. You'll see that there's no photos attached to this particular property yet. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click locate file and I'm going to upload some pictures. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit my control key on my keyboard, hold it down, and then just select the pictures that I want to upload. So I want to select this one and also this one right here. Once I've got all the pictures that I want selected, I'm going to click open and it's going to load the pictures right here. I could cancel one of them if I so choose, but I'm going to go ahead and start the upload and start uploading these images right to the listing. Now, one thing that you do have to do at this point, even though you see a preview of your pictures, in order for you to sort them or sort the order of them, you do have to save the record. And how you do that is you want to click update record, and that's going to save the record. You'll get this little notification at the top that says record has been updated. And once you do that, you can scroll to the bottom again. You'll see all your pictures. And now you can actually click and drag and reorder them. So for example, if you want the picture of the elk to be first, you can actually move that to the front here and rearrange the order. Now, it's not going to show on your website until you actually make the pictures public. So one thing that you want to do is check all the pictures that you want to make public, because if this is unchecked, then it's actually not going to show up on your website. So I'm going to check these three and I'll leave the other three unchecked. This means that we're going to have 3 images that show up on our listing. And if I want to make a caption, I can. So I can just say, river nearby. And then I'm going to hit the little check mark to update that caption. And same thing with this, views in the area. And then I'll go ahead and hit check mark. And that'll add a caption to these 2 images. Now, I can also choose that one of them as a featured image. The featured image will show up on the listing page, and then the rest of the page pictures will show up on the property details page. So I'm going to choose the elk also as the featured image by clicking the featured button. And once I've got that selected, it's going to be used as the thumbnail. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and preview my listing by scrolling to the top, and I'm going to hit the listing button. And you can see here that my elk shows up as picture number 1. Then I've got this property picture of the river, and it's got my caption. And if you scroll down, I've got another picture with my caption. Now, just to kind of illustrate how it's going to, how the sort function or the order function works, is if I go back here into the edit screen, I can actually, let's say that I want the river picture to show up first. I can just drag that over to the left-hand side, and that makes that image 1 the river. I actually don't have to save the record again at this point. It actually auto-saved. So all I need to do is go back to my listing. Now I do need to hit refresh, so I'm going to hit refresh here at the top. And once I do that, you can see that the elk picture is image number 2 now, and I replaced the top picture with the river picture. So that's how you upload pictures to your listings and rearrange them in the order that you would like them to show. Again, if I want to show the rest of the pictures, I'm just going to click public on those, and that's going to add all 6 images to the listing. You can see here if I hit refresh, it adds the rest of the pictures here. And again, I can make this one the first one if I want, and I come back to the listing, hit refresh again, and you can see that this one shows up at the top.